Hey Siri, turn the volume down. Hey Siri, turn the volume down more. Hey Siri, turn the volume up loud. Hey Siri, turn it up louder. Hey Siri, turn the volume up all the way. How you doing, guys? It's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we're checking out HomePod. And there you saw a little demo of the music. There's a little unboxing for you. It's a quick setup. Basically, you plug it in the wall, you hold your phone next to it, and what I found is that the phone had to be held like straight on top of it. I couldn't just put it alongside. As soon as I did that, it set itself up, and then from there, we were able to get it to work. And once it connects to Siri, and you hear this.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's try it. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, tell me about the weather.
It's currently partly cloudy and 64 degrees in Los Angeles. Expect clear skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 64 degrees this afternoon to 55 tonight.
Hey Siri, is it going to rain on Monday?
There's no rain in the forecast for Monday. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Hey Siri, tell me the news today.
Here's the latest news from NPR. Or if you prefer, say, "Hey Siri, switch to Fox News, switch to CNN, or switch to the Washington Post instead."
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Janine Herbst.
Hey Siri, switch to the Washington Post.
By sister.
Here's the latest news from the Washington Post.
Good morning. I'm James Homan from the Washington Post, and this is the Daily 202 for Friday.
Hey Siri,
February
stop
9th.
the news. Okay, so I know you can't hear what HomePod sounds like, but it sounds very good. It's not as loud as other reviewers have claimed it is, but it is a high excursion woofer with a custom amplifier, and there's an array of 7 horn-loaded tweeters, each with its own custom amplifier. There's 6 microphone array that Siri listens to, and it's really interesting that when there's loud music that you can talk to it and basically it will cancel the music out. That technology is pretty interesting. So I have to say that's pretty cool. So let's listen to some more of what HomePod can do. Hey Siri, can you set a timer?
For how long?
2 minutes.
Counting down from 2 minutes.
Hey Siri, can you make a telephone call?
I can't help you make calls on HomePod. Sorry about that.
Hey Siri, how much time left on the timer?
1 minute and 27 seconds to go.
Hey Siri, can you play music from my Spotify?
I can't play from Spotify.
Hey Siri, can you read my text messages?
You have a new message from Jennifer. Hey Mark, are we still on for lunch this afternoon? Would you like to reply?
Yes. Tell her yes, we're still on.
Your reply to Jennifer says, "Yes, we're still on." Ready to send it?
Yes.
Done.
Hey Siri, who directed American Graffiti?
I found 2 movies for you to choose from. American Graffiti and More American Graffiti. Which American Graffiti?
American Graffiti.
American Graffiti was directed by George Lucas.
Hey Siri, how old is George Lucas?
George Lucas is 73.
Hey Siri, can you tell me about the Les Paul guitar?
The Gibson Les Paul is a solid-body electric guitar that was first sold by the Gibson Guitar Corporation in 1952. Shall I continue?
Yes.
The Les Paul was designed by Gibson president Ted McCarty, factory manager John Hewis and their team, along with guitarist inventor Les Paul. The Les Paul was originally offered with a gold finish and two P90 pickups.
Okay, so there's my quick look at HomePod. It is a very cool device. There is a lot of things that it can't do. I'm sure that it's going to get better over time. The one thing that is kind of frustrating is why can't it make a telephone call? It seems like it would be the greatest speakerphone ever. Okay, so there we have it. Apple HomePod available now for $349. Comes in two colors, white and space gray. And what's really cool about a product like this is that with software updates, it can just get better and better. And I'm sure at some point it's going to be a really incredible device. But right now, it's kind of basic in what it can do. Guys, there's my quick look at the Apple HomePod. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you're seeing here, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.